In this brief tutorial, I want to show you how to use the Google Calendar sidebar. Now, if you don't see these icons on the side, click the gearbox here, and the first item will say try the new Gmail, or in our case, try the new Greenwich Country Day School mail for our email. You'll know you're in the right one if you see these icons. So when you click calendar, it'll pop out from the side. If you want to see your full screen calendar, you can always click this up arrow inside that box. That'll bring you to a new tab and open up your full Google Calendar. So as you can see, you can kind of flip around based on the month, day, week. Each time you flip through, you'll see one single day at a time. If you want to show and hide different calendars, you can click these three dots and select the calendars that you want to show. So I can just show or hide whichever ones I want. And if I want to add events, I can just click and drag, or I can just click anywhere. I'll show you that again. I can just click here and just add an event. I can give it whatever title I want. Math quiz. I can give it a defined start and end time, or if I want to show up at the top of my calendar, I can make an all-day event. So maybe I want to click here, make an all-day event, and say math quiz. You can change which calendar it displays on. You can add a description for it, and when you save it, oh, you can also change the color. You can add, all kinds of descriptors for your text. I'll go back to the default color, and when you save it, you'll see it pop up on your calendar. If you wanted to, you could change the alerts that show up for these events. All of the features that you have in Google Calendar will still work, but you may not be able to use them in this sidebar. So let's say I wanted to edit this and add an alert for this event, so it warns me a few days ahead of time. You can see I can't do it here, but if I edit in calendar, this will open a new tab for me. You're going to see that you can edit everything the way that you would in a Google Calendar event. So I have a lot more options over here. So I can add another notification, maybe like 5 days before I want it to warn me. Then I can save it, come back over here. The event's still here. And let's say my teacher told me I wanted to, have a project due on Friday. I can flip ahead to Friday, click anywhere, say which project is due, when, and save it, and it's easy as that.